how to connect RevenueCat to the Google Play Store. So let's say that you have an application on the Google Play Store. How can we add RevenueCat to it? Once you have created your RevenueCat account, then you will go into product catalog first, and you might have a default catalog which you have chosen during your sign up. But let's say that we want to begin from scratch. Click on new offering, and this is going to be the identifier. So we're going to do Android sale for the identifier, and the display name is going to be Android lifetime access. Now here you can add a package. So we will choose the option. So you have subscriptions or lifetime access. You also have custom. Now we're going to do lifetime for this, and the description is going to be Android lifetime package again. And the product here we will set to lifetime as well. After you have created this package, then we will need to add a paywall. So click on add paywall here. And you can choose from these templates, or we can begin from scratch. So right here, I'm going to click on create paywall and then create from scratch. You can also use a template, like I said, but for this, we are going to offer the Android sale, and this is going to be Android lifetime access. And once you have done this, then you will click on save to draft. Once you have created your paywall, then here we will need to integrate RevenueCat into the Google Play Store. So we're gonna need to install the SDK. Now from here you have a few options. You can either get your Swift package here and you have access to instructions. You will need to copy this code and paste it into your app, and also the API key, which is very important. If you don't want to do that, or if you are using AI to integrate this into your app, then here's what it's going to look like. So if you're using AI, then it is going to give you this prompt: install RevenueCat SDK using Swift package, and it's going to give the AI the needed steps. Now, once you have done this, then you can just update your app from the Android developer account, which you have, and that is going to integrate RevenueCat with your app. I hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe. I will see you next time.